Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to give you a different kind of video. I'm going to start filming more of these videos. I guess it's like a studio vlog, but it's not really. But today I'm going to be showing you how I package my candle orders. I don't really have a set technique. I kind of just figured this out myself because I don't know, I was just trying stuff that worked for me. So yeah, this is how I do it. I know people do it differently. I want to change it soon because I have an idea for what I really want. So yeah, but if you're new to my channel, you should totally subscribe if you're not new. Thank you for coming back. Okay, so let's get started with this video. Excuse my hair, like it looks very, but it's alright, okay? But okay, so first off, the box. So the boxes are from Uline, and I use the boxes are from Uline, and I use the 4x4x6. I use the 4x4x6 from Uline, and I use the 8x8x6. Let me zoom out. Basically, this bigger box is for when people order more than one candle, which is mostly the case. I have some people order one candle, and I'll just of this box, which I do need to order more of these boxes because I'm about to run out, shockingly. But these ones right here are for the bigger orders, and it's really easy boxing them up, and just like this, and it usually fits 4 candles. Sometimes I can fit 5 in there. But yeah, I ordered from Uline, and about Uline, they only have next day shipping. So they don't have like a cheaper shipping option. It's always next day. That's one thing I don't like about Uline. So when you order from there, make sure you order a lot of stuff at once because it's next day and it'll be here literally the next day. And I think their shipping is UPS. I'm not sure. But yeah, that's the only shipping option they have. Yeah, those are my boxes. Now for the candle, like what I wrap them up in. Since my candles are made out of glass, I use this glass wrapping paper that I got from Amazon. I need to order some more because this is literally all that I have left. I'm going to do that right after I finish this video. But this is glass wrapping paper, and it was really inexpensive. So I usually wrap, I'm going to show you how I package my candles after I finish this, but I'm just doing a sit down portion, but I'm going to literally show you how I do it. But yeah, I just wrap my candles up in this. We have packaging peanuts. I have a big bag. All these packaging peanuts. I have a big bag, and I get these from when I order from my candle wholesale supplier, which is more than likely Candle Science. If you make candles, then you know Candle Science is good with the packaging peanuts. Okay, whatever they give me in the box, I just put it in a bag and I just use it for shipping so that the glass doesn't break during the shipping process. So I'll wrap my candle up in this, and then I'll surround it with a lot of these packaging peanuts so that it doesn't move. I need to make some more labels, but I also make my own labels with my Cricut machine right here. You can see it. It's pretty raspberry color. I'm gonna do a whole video on that itself because it's a long process. I still haven't mastered it yet. Okay, so the last thing that I put in my box before I tape it up is my business cards. And my business cards, I got this from Amazon. It says, "Thank you for supporting my business." And there's nothing on the back. I just got these from Amazon, and they were really inexpensive. I want to say they were like $12. I don't know. I might put the links in the description if I can still find them. And then the last thing I have is my business card. And my business card, I designed it myself on Vistaprint. It was so last minute, okay? Like, I've always seen the Vistaprint commercials, and they were like the only company that popped up in my head at that time. Yeah, so I just made an account real quick. I designed a logo within like 30 minutes. Not 30 minutes, but a card within like 30 minutes. All my information. And then yeah, they sent it out literally the next day. And I ordered 500 of them, so I still have a whole other box, and I still have a lot in this box. Like, I still have a lot of cards. Yeah, and also this is how the thank you for supporting my business cards come in like a little packet like that. Okay, but these are my business cards. I'm going to zoom in. This is how it looks. It has like a foil on it, so like when you turn it, it's like shiny. It has my logo right here, and I drew this logo. I designed it myself. Yeah, it just has my name, all my social medias and stuff, and I just like this floral print. And I usually put these together like this, and I just put them on top, and I just tape up the box. So after I tape up the box, I make these packaging labels. I basically stick them on the box like this, and then that's it. And of course I'll put the shipping label over here. Okay, that was basically all the stuff that I use. I want to start using the boxes that you like, you know, like the subscription boxes that you like flip open and then it's like neatly packed. I want to start doing that. Okay, but yeah, let's get started with packaging this candle. Okay, so here are my candles that I'm going to be packaging. And basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take a paper towel and I'm just going to wipe out the excess wax, because sometimes when you pour, the wax kind of gets on the sides and that doesn't really look that appealing. So I'll just clean up the sides. Then I'm going to be taking some rubbing alcohol or isopropyl. I forget what kind I use, but basically it's alcohol, and I like to sanitize my products before I ship it just to be on the safe side. Okay, so now I'm rolling the candles up in the glass paper, and I just roll them up, like, because people are just going to unwrap them, so it doesn't really have to be perfect. And then I'm going to put the packaging peanuts inside the box with the candles. Okay, so now I'm just going to put my business cards on top, and I'm going to tape up the box. Okay, so now it's time for the shipping label, and I'm using online label sticker paper. It was $17 on Amazon. It's the matte sticker paper. It's not the glossy. And I'm just using my shipping service, and I'm going to do a whole video on that because the post office is expensive, and I try to use the cheapest shipping route that I can. And basically I just weigh my package and then I put it in and they calculate it for me. Okay, so now I'm just going to put the shipping label on the box, and then I'm just going to stick my label on the side. And that's it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this, how I package my candle order. So yeah, that's basically all I do. I print out the shipping label. That sticker paper that I showed you, I got that from Amazon. I mostly got all that stuff from Amazon other than the boxes and the business cards. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. If you want to check out my candles, you can go to my website, www.breonialafaye.com. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Please subscribe and like for more videos like this. Okay.
It's on you, but I won't pay. The tide's rolling in, but you chose